What up, YouTube? Today is Friday and it's leg day. But not only leg day, we're also going to hit some other muscle groups. So, the beginning of the workout, I'm going to hit abs. I find that if I do abs at the end of the workout, I'm more likely to get cramps because by the end, I'm kind of depleted and just not fun. If you've ever had a abdominal cramp, it is not fun at all. So we'll hit abs first, then leg extension, box squats, and then depending on what's available, I'll either hit a cable fly or some shoulders and then calf raise. And that'll be it. So we've had a lot of rain recently. The weather's been kind of yucky. Finally stopped raining for now. But regardless of the weather, we are going to get it. All right. So I'm hoping today to set some PRs. I made sure to load up on carbs. So I got plenty of energy for this workout and I'm ready to knock it out of the park. Let's go. All right. First exercise is going to be ab machine. And last time I did this, I did 8 reps for 60. We'll stick with the 60 pounds and we'll try to beat 8. Here we go. Ooh, it's cramping. Try to get one more. Nope. All right, so 11. Went from 8 to 11. All right, I'm gonna do cable flies next. Do one warm up. Just make sure my seat's in the right place. All right, I want to save energy for the set. So last time I did flies, 10 reps for 110. So we got to beat 10. So only 1 rep jump, which means I might not have recovered enough before jumping into this, but it is what it is. Next week, we'll try to beat 11. All right, I got to beat 12 reps. All right, so 14. Try to get my heart rate down. Next exercise is going to be rear fly. Well, last week I did 10 reps at 200. So, like always, got to beat last week's version of ourselves. So, let's see if I can beat 10. Feeling pretty weak today. All right, we got 8. Let's see if we can do a couple more. Nope. So my best guess is yesterday went a little too low in calories, and I'm seeing that today. So just don't have the same energy boost. Probably could have waited a day or two before coming back, but we're already here. We're going to do the workout. All right. Next exercise is going to be a box squat. I'm going to do 1 warm-up set before doing our working set. All right, everything feels good. Gonna load it up, drink some water, jump right into it. Last week I did 8. I'm gonna try to beat that, even though it looks like I might have came in a little depleted. I gotta psych myself up. I'm gonna look for at least 9 to 10. If I did 8 last week. Oh, I'm not very big boned, so that weight on my spine is no bueno. All right, next I'm gonna do a shoulder press. The last time I did, I think it was over a week ago, because last week I did chest instead of shoulders on this day. So 2 weeks ago, I did 9 reps at 45. I bumped it up to 50. So if I can get close to 6, that'd be pretty nice. We'll see how we do. Seven, not bad. Last exercise is going to be knee straight calf raise. Machine I normally do it on, it's being used. So rather than waiting, I'm gonna just do it on the hack squat. Really focusing on stretch on the bottom and squeezing at the top. If your range of motion is limited, chances are the weight's a little too heavy. So better to lower the weight and just really focus on controlling the weight, but also your range of motion. So deep stretch at the bottom, hold 2 seconds, up at the top, squeeze. You'll notice a lot better gains and mind muscle connection, contractions. When you go a little bit lighter, if you're going too heavy, you're not even able to squeeze at the top. You're just kind of using the momentum of the weight, just slinging around. You're not really actually isolating and contracting the muscle. So let's see how it feels on this. I don't even think I've done it on this before, but I know it can be done. Yeah, so 1, 2, squeeze. So nothing about calves is fun because they really burn. But what I've found is sometimes just because it's burning and there's lactic acid doesn't mean you've technically hit failure. So what I've been doing lately is rest pause. I'm not doing a drop set. I'm just waiting for the lactic acid to flush out of the area. Usually it's kind of like the front of the shin and near the Achilles. Once that kind of flushed out, I just jump right back into it and make sure I'm hitting complete failure with these. And so what you'll notice with this too is each rest pause, your reps should go down. So I did 10, 6, I'm gonna rest pause, and it should be less than 6. And towards the end, either 3 to 4, excuse me, either 3 to 4 rest pause. And by the end, you can only do 2 to 3 reps. Then you know, okay, I've hit failure with the calves. And then the next thing is just to rest and let them grow. All right, right back into it. Yeah. All right. I think that's it. They've been stimulated, definitely. They're pretty tight. All right, workout complete. We hit a little bit of shoulders, a little bit of chest, and we hit the legs. So the legs are coming in. Let me tilt this down a little. And then we hit a little bit of legs too. So definitely coming together. So I need to lose a little bit more body fat so I can start seeing more definition in my thighs. I'm holding fat more in my thighs than my midsection, surprisingly. But yeah, it was a good workout. It's complete. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below. Do you need help with your workouts? Are you trying to cut, bulk? Let me know in the comments below. Right now, I only work out Monday and Friday, and I'm getting pretty good results. But let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.